Is running a business a financial black hole? Ever feel like your business swallows money whole? You generate sales, but then it all vanishes into a vortex of fees, subscriptions, and random charges. Look, we've all been there. Especially when it comes to banking. Traditional business accounts often hit you with monthly maintenance fees, hidden transaction costs, and a feeling that they'd rather lend money to a hamster with an investment plan than you. There's gotta be a better way, right? A way to manage your business finances without feeling like you're constantly swimming upstream. Well, fret no more, fellow entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Tide business accounts. Specifically, the burning question, is a Tide business account free? Buckle up, because we're about to unpack the good, the not so good, and everything in between. Free as a bird, almost. Let's get straight to the point. Yes, Tide offers a free tier for their business account. It's called the free account, creatively enough. This plan has no monthly fees, which is a major win for startups and businesses just getting off the ground. You can open an account in minutes, manage your finances through their mobile app, and even get a free business debit card. But there's always a catch, kind of. While the free tier is undeniably attractive, it's important to understand what you're getting and not getting with this plan. Here's the thing, free doesn't mean frictionless. There are transaction fees associated with the free account. You'll pay 20 pence for every transaction, which can add up quickly if you're constantly moving money around. International transactions and ATM withdrawals also come with additional charges. Think of it like this, the free tier is a great way to test the waters and see if Tide works for you. But if you have a business that generates a lot of transactions, those 20 pence fees can become a significant cost burden. Beyond the free, exploring paid tiers. Tide offers 3 paid tiers alongside the free option, Plus, Pro, and Issuer. These plans come with a monthly subscription fee, but they also unlock additional features and remove transaction fees. For example, the Plus account gives you 20 free monthly transactions, while Pro offers unlimited transactions and priority customer support. The Issuer plan is geared towards businesses that need to issue prepaid cards to their employees or contractors. It's a niche service, but good to know it exists if that's something your business requires. Is free right for you? So, should you jump on the Tide free account bandwagon? Here's the honest truth, it depends. If you're a freelancer or a solopreneur with a low transaction volume, the free tier could be a perfect fit. It allows you to manage your business finances separately from your personal accounts without incurring monthly fees. Plus, the mobile app is convenient and user-friendly. However, if you have a more established business with a high transaction volume, the free tier's transaction fees can quickly become a significant cost factor. In that case, it might be worth considering one of the paid plans to avoid those charges. The final verdict, free with flexibility. Ultimately, Tide's approach to business banking is about offering choice and flexibility. The free tier gives you a taste of their platform with minimal upfront cost. If your needs grow, you can easily upgrade to a paid plan that better suits your business activity. Remember, the key is to assess your financial needs and transaction volume before making a decision. Do the free tier's transaction fees outweigh the benefits of having a separate business account? Would the additional features of a paid plan be worth the monthly subscription cost for your business? With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.